On the shores of the Arabian Sea stands a temple that refused to disappear. Destroyed again and again, yet reborn every time. This is Somnath Temple, the eternal abode of Lord Shiva. Somnath is believed to be the first among the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord. The name Somnath means Lord of the Moon. According to legend, Chandra, the moon god, built the first temple in gold to seek forgiveness and blessings from Lord Shiva. Somnath was not built just once. It was rebuilt many times, in gold, silver, wood.
Here, Lord Shiva is worshipped as Nataraj, the cosmic dancer.
The force of creation, preservation, and destruction, reminding us that the universe itself dances to his rhythm.
Standing right on the edge of the Arabian Sea, Somnath is where land, water, and devotion meet,
making it one of the most powerful spiritual locations in India. One of Somnath's greatest.
The main spire casts no shadow at any time of the day, a marvel of ancient architectural wisdom.
After India's independence, Somnath was rebuilt once again. In 1951, the Pran Pratishtha was performed,
restoring not just a temple, but the spirit of a nation.
Within Somnath burns an eternal sacred flame, symbolizing unending devotion. Somnath is not just a temple, it is a reminder that truth always rises again. Om Namah Shivaya.